this time last year we undertook a capacity workshop in Limerick City.
We're seeing an increase in the loads within Limerick City itself, and we can also see there's a number of connections between large housing developments, large customer connections that are coming down the line fairly soon. So we're increasing the capacity of the station here on Dock Road so we can meet our customer connection requirements.
A project like Dock Road demonstrates how we in ESB Networks are responding to critical national infrastructure priorities, which relate to supporting housing, economic growth, and then growth in electrification due to decarbonisation initiatives.
Overall, here on Dock Road, it's a solid example of what an accelerated capacity project can look like, which involves delivering capacity for customers sooner rather than later, whilst at the same time reinforcing the network for the long term.